Hello to everyone. Adiperukku, celebrated on the 18th day of the Tamil month of Adi, is a monsoon festival of Tamil Nadu. The festival welcomes the new water from monsoon rains in rivers. It is mainly celebrated by people living on and around the banks of Kaveri and its tributaries. As the monsoon rains bring abundant water to the rivers, frothing and touching the banks, farmers welcome and worship Mother Kaveri by offering flowers, fruits and other auspicious things. They thank the river for giving a good harvest the previous year and pray for a better harvest in the coming year. Farmers start sowing seeds on this day, as it is believed that they will grow in abundance. It is also a festival of women, as females of all ages come together to pray to Mother Kaveri to bless them with prosperity. Married women seek her blessings to beget offspring. The unmarried ones seek her blessings for a good husband. The newlyweds pray to her that their husbands should be hale and healthy and as happy and joyful as Mother Kaveri when she brings the new flood. Special prayers and pujas are done in temples for a good harvest, constant supply of water and hassle-free monsoon. For the newlyweds, the first Adiperukku is a special occasion as the Mangalaya thread tied on the day of marriage is replaced with a new one with add-ons like gold coins and mango-shaped gold trinkets, which are considered auspicious. Married women also change the old Mangalya thread and wear a new one on this day. Families throng the banks of Kaveri and other water bodies in the neighborhood to pay their gratitude to nature for blessing them with water and food. Women make a lamp out of rice and jaggery, place it on plantain leaves, and let it float on the river. A variety of rice dishes called curd rice, lemon rice, tomato rice, sweet pongal, etc. are prepared, and families enjoy eating them on the banks of the river as they have fun. Children make small chariots and take them on a procession. The riverbank or seashore picnic is a major event in Delta districts in Tamil Nadu on the day. Also, Adiperukku is considered the most auspicious day to buy gold in Tamil Nadu. It's so nice that you had the time to watch this, and please share your comments.